Here's how to send a message directly to another user on Reddit, which is better known as a chat request. There's two ways to do it. If you see their profile name somewhere in the thread, tap or click it to bring up their profile. Then find the chat symbol, which looks like this, and tap or click it. If you don't see the option, it could be that your account is too new, or you don't have enough karma, or the user you're trying to message has adjusted their privacy settings to not allow chat requests. The first message you send has to be text only. You just type it in, then tap or click the triangle symbol. They will receive it as a request on their end, and they will need to say yes to the request in order to continue the conversation with you. If they do say yes, from that point forward, the two of you can not only send text messages, but also links and photos. Here's the second way to do it. If you're using the phone app, tap the inbox symbol at the bottom, then chats, then tap the create new chat symbol. If you're using the web version on PC, click the chat symbol in the top right. It should be there no matter what page you're on in Reddit. And then you'll see the create new chat symbol right there. In the field, type in the person's Reddit username. Their username will come up below. Tap or click it. Then tap or click the create button. And from there, you're ready to send the first message. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button.